5 words for each ABC.
A is for apple and airplane, axe and alligator. B is for ball, bat, banana, bag and butterfly. C is for cat, cup, car, cake and cow. D is for dog, duck, drum, door and doll. E is for egg, ear, elephant, eye and engine. F is for fish, fan, frog, fork and feather. G is for goat, grapes, gift, girl and grass. H is for hat, hen, horse and hammer. I is for igloo, ice, insect, iron and ink. J is for jam, jug, jeep, jelly and jacket. K is for kite, kangaroo, key, king and kid. L is for lion, lamp, leaf, log and leg. M is for monkey, moon, mug, mouse and map. N is for nest, neck, nurse, nose and needle. O is for owl, orange, octopus, oven and ox. P is for pig, pen, pot, peach and pencil. Q is for queen, quilt, quail, question and quiet. R is for rat, rain, ring, robot and rope. S is for sun, sock, spoon, star and snake. T is for tiger, top, tree, train and table. U is for umbrella, uncle, uniform, urn and under. V is for fan, vice, violin, village and vest. W is for wolf, watch, water, web and whistle. X is for x-ray, xylophone, xenon, Christmas and Xerox. Y is for yarn, yak, yo-yo, yellow and yogurt. Z is for zebra, zipper, zero, zoo and zigzag. Let's sing again and learn some more from A to Z with words galore. Maze.